Okay, today I'm going to tear down a new MS271 chainsaw. I sell parts on eBay from new saws, so I do this quite a bit. But I wanted to show you all specifically the flywheel and the clutch removal. That's the part that most people have difficulty with. So anyway, I'll just go ahead and do the saw normally without too much talking. But specifically, I've got a impact drill driver with a T27 Torx bit, a chuck for a 3/8 drive sockets, a 19mm or 3/4 inch socket will work, and also I've got the 13mm or 1/2 inch socket. And then we've got the smaller T20 Torx head, because Stihl for some reason started using two different size fasteners to remove them. They used to be all T27s, but now they've decided to get creative, I guess. But at any rate, I'll just start and won't say much more than this. Now the clutch comes off clockwise, as most of them do. And here I just do not block the piston like everybody tells you to. You just leave the plug in so you have the compression for resistance. And this is the safest, easiest way to do it. And that's all she is to it on that one. And of course you have the oil pump driver. And then the other side, we'll go ahead and do the flywheel. Now the flywheel's on a tapered shaft, so the main thing is I'll get the nut off first. And the Stihl nuts mostly have shoulders on them. Nut, I just use that for the driver, and then you put it back on, thread it back on clockwise until it goes all the way down, seats, and back it off a turn or so. A little, you want to not back it off too far. Now the trick is to hold it up by the flywheel, the weight, and give it a wrap. And that's all she is. There. Okay, that's the hardest part. And since I've forgot that I need a 8mm sockets to remove the carburetor, I'll go ahead and shut it off now and come back here in a minute.